Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can take a screenshot on your Windows with three different ways. This is very important, especially if you are going to search for an important information in the browser of your Windows and you want to take a screenshot of the specific information. Then here's how. So first is you need to look at your keyboard, locate the Windows key and the print screen key. Print screen is in the initials PRTSC. Now let's demonstrate it here in our desktop background. Now press Windows key and print screen, and let's open the File Explorer. Click on Pictures, click on Screenshots. And here we have just took a screenshot of our desktop background. So here, now let me delete all of this because we're still going to take a screenshot using the different ways. And then let's next way is through a snipping tool, a screenshot tool in your Windows. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type snipping tool. Click on snipping tool under the best match. Now here you have the snipping mode and how you want to take your screenshot to be rectangle. Is it like window or full screen or freeform? The form of the screenshot that you're going to take. Now let's try with rectangle. Click on the plus sign symbol and then simply drag the cursor to the desired part of the photo or the background that you want to take a screenshot with. And then let's maximize this window. This will appear after you have took a screenshot. You can also edit it in Paint application wherein you can add colors, you can highlight. Now you can add symbols. In order to save this, you will have to click on the save button and then choose the path. Let's have this with screenshots. Click on open, click on save. And now let's confirm it. Select File Explorer. And here you can find pictures. Then you can find screenshots. So here. Then for the last method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Store. Click on Microsoft Store under the best match. Then here simply type screenshot. Hit enter. And you will find different screenshot tools that you can use in order to take a screenshot on your Windows. So simply click on that and then click on the... So this is paid. Now let's go back to those which are for free. Screenshot again. Just simply click on the get button and that will be installed into your Windows. So that's it. You can take a screenshot in three different ways. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.